Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to photograph a flat lay. Today's flat lay will be all about cherry blossom jam, which is a recipe that I do go on to make in my gardening series. But today's tutorial is all about how to take a flat lay photo, the things that you should consider, how to keep a consistent colour palette, and how to keep a consistent theme that speaks of you. So without further ado, let's get brainstorming, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Things to consider when making a flat lay. First thing, what is the subject? My subject matter is cherry blossom jam, which makes me think of trees, spring, flowers, fruit jam which is sweet and sticky, and colours of pink and white come to mind. Now I've analysed my subject material, it's time to figure out a theme. So whatever I associate the subject matter with becomes the theme. So in this case, it becomes nature, delicacy and fruit. The nature makes me think of wood, bark and flowers. The delicacy reminds me of petals and any material that can replicate that kind of texture. And I also think about the fruit, which is pink or red in colour, like cherries, strawberries and raspberries. All the way through this, I've realised that I've come up with a naturalistic theme, so I want to make sure that my props also reflect that. Now I've analysed my subject matter and the theme, it's time to figure out what props I want to use. It's important to use props that keep in mind my naturalistic theme, so I want to make sure I'm not using any unnatural materials. Instead, I will use glass, tin, ceramics or silk, and I want to make sure I incorporate natural elements like the flowers, the bark and the berries. And now I've got my things to consider list done, the subject, which is the cherry blossom, the theme, which is nature, and my props to fit. So these are the things that I have gathered over the past couple of years, and I've got these bonsai scissors, which is courtesy of my friend Faye when she gave me a bonsai. I am so sorry that I killed the bonsai, I am so bad with plants. This is my mum's scarf. I've got my bag full of cherry blossom, and I've got the jars that my cherry blossom jam will go into. And it has this nice wooden chopping board. I think it offers a nice contrast and brings in more of the tree element. So these scissors are what I use to actually cut the stalk of the cherry blossom tree. So I feel like I have to have that in there. That was part of the process. Oh, it smells really nice in here now. Okay, I'm gonna take some images of this first and then see where I go after that. So I've taken out the glass and put in the ceramic, made the raspberries tip out onto here instead, and I'm going to take some photos like this now. And I'm also getting some details of the petals themselves, so I think that they look really nice on the marble, so I'm just making sure to capture some of the details. And now I've simplified it, so I've taken away all of the jars and just got the berries and the flowers. I've wrapped the scarf around the board and I'm gonna sort of traipse it off a little bit in this corner. Okay, and I'm gonna try this. And this is where I ended up. I actually really like this. I am going to change my lens to a zoom lens. Great, this looks amazing. So this is on 70. Now the thing is with the telephoto lens, in order for it to focus on you, you have to be about a meter away. There we go, and if I get any closer, it will be out of focus. And that was my flat lay. That was my first ever flat lay, so it might not be the most amazing thing, but I'm about to go and make the cherry blossom jam now, and I'm pretty excited actually because the raspberries smell super nice. The cherry blossom is supposed to have quite a light and floral taste, whatever that means. I hope you have learned something from this quick tutorial on how to make a flat lay. It was actually my first ever flat lay and I really enjoyed the making of this video. It was fun to then edit it and make it look consistent by bringing out the pinks and the reds in the actual photograph. I then went on to do my gardening series and made some cherry blossom jam, so you can watch that and see how that went for my first attempt at making jam. Give the video a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to learn anything more. Thanks for watching. Bye!